Good morning, friends and family. My name is Jenna, and today I'm going to be making the most complicated sweater vest ever for my boyfriend. This is not a very good hedgehog. Okay, so I should not have started my dishwasher. Hedgehog is done. I just need to do a swatch now. I'm using way too small of needles. This is too small. Again! I'm on my way to get yarn now. I'll see you in a minute. When I was at the yarn store, I went into this project thinking, let's just make like a gray sweater, slap a hedgehog on there, it's gonna be great. But then I got to the yarn store and I saw this yarn with all these magnificent colors, and then I thought to myself, how about we put this hedgehog in the desert? I ended up buying every single desert colored yarn. I got this one, this one, this one, a lot. So now, a lot of money out of my bank account later, I'm ready to design my sweater vest. I am using my computer to design this now. I'm using this website called stitchfiddle.com. And pretty much, I'm just gonna draw it. So I just finished. I think I spent maybe like an hour trying this scene out on this shirt, and I changed the colors completely. I need to go back to the yarn store and get new colors, but honestly, if I can pull this off, it's gonna be my best work to date. This looks fabulous. Good job. So we're just gonna take a quick break because today's video is sponsored by Book of the Month. How it works is every single month they give you 5 to 7 books to choose from, and you choose your favorite from their list. This list was decided by their editorial team, which they read hundreds of books every single month and they choose the best ones. Another cool feature about Book of the Month is they recently launched an audiobook option, so you can actually choose an audiobook or hardcover book each month. So the book I chose this month is called Northwoods by MEPs, and it's about this guy who's not doing so hot, and he ended up running into a little bit of a dead body at a lake and is getting into that investigation of what the frick happened here. So if you guys want to try out Book of the Month, be sure to use my link down below in the description to join, and if you guys want to get your first book for $5, be sure to use the code RESET. How long is this gonna take? Is this gonna take me a long time? Because I don't have a long time. Me take apart my last 2 days of work. Okay. This is a little small. My computer did the calculations that this should fit. I'm gonna trust you. Almost gone. But if this is too small, I'm not gonna be happy with you. It needs to go in the garbage. Imagine if I spent like 60 hours making this and then it's too small. Friends, family, loved ones, isn't that the same thing? I'm having a really good time. I crocheted all night, pretty much till like 10 o'clock before I went to bed, and I don't really have much progress to show you guys, but I'm having a good time. We are now ready to begin working on the sweater again. Just having my lunch, and I don't even get one bite in my mouth, and I don't even know why I own white clothes at this point. You're gonna get poked. Huh? Can I help you, Jack? How does this even happen? It's 9:30. I did not finish it yet. I'll show you what I have. I don't know if this hedgehog looks ugly or not. He kind of looks cute, but he also kind of doesn't look like a hedgehog. So I'm just gonna keep going, hoping that eventually he will turn into a hedgehog. But so far, the desert theme's looking pretty good. If it doesn't look good, then that's gonna really suck. But I'm just tired. I'm gonna go to bed. I guess I am happy that I didn't finish the front of my sweater vest last night, because I realized this morning when I'm looking at the pattern that the armholes, they were designed for a 6-month-old. Okay, I'm as mentally as prepared as I'll ever be, so take 2. Frick, I have to go to the dentist in 5 minutes. I hate going to the dentist because every time I go to the dentist, they tell me I don't floss enough. I know I should every time I brush my teeth, but I'm a busy lady. Because then they'll just say, Jenna, fine, don't floss. Just come in here to get all your teeth pulled out. Does it look like a hedgehog? I showed my mom a picture of this and asked her if it looked like a hedgehog, and she said, no, it looks like a pug. Fit check. I look like a painter. I've been working on the neck here, and I realize this sweater's a little long. I don't know who the frick designed it, but they made another flaw. So I had to cut out like 6 or 7 rows from the pattern, and now I'm starting to divide the 2 shoulder parts here with the neck, and I think it's gonna be okay, but I'm also just a little worried. It might be a little too long. Yeah, at this point I'm just crossing my fingers that it works, because I keep altering it. Keep trying to band-aid it. You know, I was making really good progress on this sweater vest, and I just finished one of the arms here. I was gonna finish the other shoulder. Then I took a step back. I looked at the sweater, and I saw something wasn't right. I got one of his shirts. I laid it down as it's supposed to be this size, the sweater vest. It's not. I may have made a calculation error, and if I continue with this vest right here, it will be approximately probably 10 to 15 inches too big. This is 10 inches, this is 15. It's bigger than my hands. I just had to do some thinking about what I was going to do after I finished a whole front of it to now realize that it's wrong. It needs to go in the garbage. I need to restart completely. After spending another hour redesigning the whole sweater vest 2.0, I think it will work.
I was so excited to take apart this sweater vest, but little did I know it was going to take me 25 minutes to rip it apart.
Time to start again.
And then I had to reball them all, which they got tangled.
You're probably wondering why I'm in a good mood after yesterday I had to completely restart the whole sweater vest. I'm so happy. I am in a good mood because I have been working on it all night, or not really all night, till like 10 o'clock last night, and then I woke up early this morning since 7 o'clock, and then been working on it since. It is now 11:30 a.m. and I have this much done. I do gotta say, if this does not fit my boyfriend and it's too small, this sweater vest, I will gladly take it now because the hedgehog looks incredible. She's very cute. Her name is Betty. She looks a lot better than Betty 1.0. Betty 1.0, if we flash to it, I don't even know what it was. It was a brand new species I created. I just finished the front of this sweater vest and it looks amazing. It's a freaking hedgehog in the desert. I didn't tell you this, but I really wanted to give up yesterday, but then I was like, Jenna, you said you were gonna do something, so you gotta do it. Anyways, friends and family, next step, I need to create the pattern for the back because I haven't done that yet. Can I help you, sir? One of the reasons I love doing front and back pieces and multiple pieces and then sewing them together for knitting is, one, every time you start a new piece, it feels like you're starting a new project. Meanwhile, if you're working in like a round, working on one piece, it just goes forever. So I've been working on the sweater vest It looks like, again, it's gonna fit a toddler, but trusting that it does grow. So I have started packing up all of the goodie bags for my event that's coming up, this in-person knit meetup I'm doing. And Jack has decided he wants to turn the goodie bags into a bed. Frick, I don't want to get carried away here, but I actually might finish the sweater vest tonight. I might, probably not, but you know. I'm getting close to starting to decrease the armpits area, so that makes me kind of excited. I've never had a project so planned where I have to just follow the instructions and go like this. And I don't really get to make up things as I go, which I gotta say, it is more fun making things up as I go. Gonna set you guys up here and watch me from there. Let's begin. I'm so excited right now because I have it almost done the back. I have like 10 more rows to go, and then after these 10 rows, you know what I get to do? I get to assemble it, and then I get to slap it on Sir Nicholas and see if this sweater vest will be for me or him. So good news. Last night I got the sweater vest into a sweater vest. At least now that I have it like put together, I think it's gonna fit. I just finished weaving in one side of the sweater vest. You know how long it took me? An hour and a half. Heck yeah, look at this. Look at this. This looks amazing. Benson, this is not helpful. You're on my sweater. Benson. Is this concerning that this fits me really well? You're legit a cat. Oh my goodness, these armholes are big. So I just finished one of the armhole things, and it didn't turn out like I wanted it to. Oh my goodness. What type of live, laugh, love? Finally listen to you guys. Pretty much in every single video, you guys say, Jenna, you're supposed to block all your knits. I know I'm supposed to, but I'm a busy lady. Well, I finally finished the sweater vest, and I thought, instead of me trying it on, because it's not really made for me, I thought we'd get Sir Nicholas to try it on. So I have Sir Nicholas here. He's gonna walk in. And here it is. Here is the sweater vest. We got the little it's like a giant hedgehog. But we got the giant hedgehog, we got the mountain scenery, we got the cacti, and then as we slowly do a 360, ooh, we got the back. But I decided no hedgehog for the back because that was just more work. So I was like, back, mountain view. If we look on the side, it almost lines up. You know, if there was a 2.0, it'd be perfect, but thank you. I'll also try it on too. So I think I could wear it too if I wanted to. I'm gonna go. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.